Hello everyone, I'm back with a quick dessert recipe. Let's make some yummy makhana kheer today. As a first step, turn the gas on and place a deep wok on it. Pour some water so that the milk doesn't burn. Pour 1 liter of milk. I'm using full cream milk here. Allow the milk to boil while continuously stirring in order to prevent the milk from burning or from sticking to the bottom of the kadhai. In the meantime, heat up another kadhai to roast 1 to 1.5 cups of makhana with 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee. Also keep checking the milk in between. As you can see, now it has come to a boil and I'm stirring it continuously once again so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the kadhai. Going back to our makhanas, ensure that they are golden brown before turning the gas off. To confirm it's done, crush a makhana between 2 fingers and it should make a crunchy noise. Turn off the gas now. Heat a tablespoon of ghee in the same kadhai to roast some cashew nuts and raisins. This step is optional. Once they turn golden brown, transfer the cashew nuts into a cup. Now it's time to roast the raisins in 1 tablespoon of ghee. You know they are done when the raisins are all fluffed up. Transfer them to another cup once done. Back to our milk again. You can see that the volume is reducing and the cream is collecting on top. So we're going to stir it once again so as to collect all the cream on the sides and on the bottom. Let's allow the milk to reduce furthermore, and in the meantime, let's blend the makhanas to a fine powder. At this stage, try to keep stirring the milk from time to time. I'm also adding the roasted cashew nuts to the makhanas in the blender jar. This would add a nice nutty and creamy texture to the kheer. So this is how the powder should appear, nice and fine. Okay, so now back to the milk again, and the milk is finally reduced to my desired level, and now we're just simply going to add in the powdered makhana and cashew nut mixture into it. Add the powder slowly, maybe in 2 or 3 batches, while continuously stirring to avoid forming any lumps. Give it all a thorough mix and it should look like this. Keep stirring so that the powdered makhana and cashew blend in well with the milk. Allow the kheer to boil before adding in a sweetener. So here I am using some milk made, about 5 to 6 tablespoons of it. Please adjust it as per your taste. Stir it all well once again to combine the milk made with the kheer. Allow to cook for another minute or 2 before turning the flame off. This is what the consistency of the kheer would look like. Really thick and creamy and ever so tasty. Transfer it to a bowl and enjoy hot or chilled. Garnish with the ghee roasted raisins and any other nuts of your choice, and we're done. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Do try it out and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.